Welcome back to part 2, so let's carry on with the videos. Alright, I just ate my pizza. Okay, that was so scary. Wait, I want more pizza. Give me some more pizza, or else. Give me some more pizza, or I'll just jump off the plane. Don't you dare leave. Gimme. Give me more pizza. That was really delicious. But that guy was so scared. Okay. What now? Hello everyone. This is your co-pilot speaking. Wait a minute. Oh, she just made a thing. Oh no. Give me more pizza. This is your co-pilot speaking. We're going to a thunderstorm mode. Yeah, I think I should go on my seat. Yo, I still need to heal up. I'm going to return to that seat, thank you. Okay, I need to go back on F15F. Oh, no. Well, I'm not sitting down. I'm not sitting down. I would like to sit down. Oh, no. Oh, fine. But it feels so glitchy. Yep, it's definitely my internet. It's not really that good, of course. That dude is back. What is worse than this? What the? Yeah, this is on fire! Oh no! Yep, I am now going to the other window. Help me. Wait, is that guy back outside? What do we do now? What's all this yellow cube? Let's take it before this plane crashes. Oh, yes, I'm iron one. Before the plane crashes. I need to wear as much life jackets as I need. Actually, I need them all. Missy looks so oh my god, why is it blurry? Why is it blurry? And well, I did try to warn them that I will jump out the window. Well, they made it with me. Jump out the window. Oh, like everyone is. Hello. Oh, that's me. Quick, everyone, get up. Get on the wing. Yay. Get on the footing. Where is it? Where is the footing? Respawn.